Online selling is a great option for DIYers. They can draw clients who are looking for that handmade, one-of-a-kind item by producing something distinctive. On Amazon, you won't find a lot of unusual craft supplies. Yes, electronics, socks, and tinfoil. However, figuring out how to put your artistic abilities to use can be a little challenging. What creates you? How can you provide something fresh and unique? What do-it-yourself goods are the best to sell online? Something not already being promoted online by 500 other people. So in today's video, we will be discussing 6 fabulous do-it-yourself crafts you should know. Before we go further into the video, be kind enough to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on new videos. 1. Candles. One year-round do-it-yourself craft that can be marketed is candles. Quality candles make excellent gifts because most people won't spend a lot of money on them for themselves. With birthdays, anniversaries, and several holidays throughout the year, you can always find an excuse to keep clients coming back. You may make a wide range of scent combinations in a variety of different sizes and shapes by buying wax and scented oils in bulk. 2. Handmade soap. Customers are becoming more and more interested in using safe organic cleaning products. Profit from this trend by developing and selling your own homemade goods, such as hand soap. You can start making soap with a small initial expenditure, and then you can start making one-of-a-kind do-it-yourself crafts to offer in this market. 3. Keychains. The keychain is always in trend. The item has long outlived its usefulness and is now used as an identifying piece. An animal broadcasts that the owner loves animals, and scenes from tourist destinations identify the user as a traveler. For clients with a variety of interests and routines, you can make keychains out of materials like leather, canvas, plastic, or linen. Sell to both men and women to maintain a sizable market. 4. Tote bags. The average person uses 425 plastic grocery bags a year, in case you didn't know. Tote bags are more crucial than ever as more and more jurisdictions work to reduce the use of plastic bags. These multi-purpose catch-alls have a vast market, from the grocery store to the coffee shop, and they're quite cheap to make. Your tote bags can draw customers and set you apart from rivals if they feature a distinctive design or message. 5. Kids' toys. You can share your do-it-yourself crafts with young children who will cherish them for years to come by making toys for youngsters of various ages. You also don't have to work for a manufacturer. You can become the next great toy maker with some fabric, paint, and filling. 6. Notecards. Notecards can be the way to go if you're looking for a cheap item with broad appeal. Paper and textiles are typically inexpensive and don't require specialized product knowledge. And since they are made of paper, they are also inexpensive and simple to ship. Create stunning cards for your shop using calligraphy, stamps, dried flowers, or even easy do-it-yourself prints from the internet. And it's a wrap, guys. Thanks for sticking with us till the end of the video. Feel free to share your thoughts and other fabulous do-it-yourself crafts with us in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our next video. Bye for now.